So hello, welcome. I'm back with a 2 week update. Today is 2 weeks since I had these medium braids in. As you can see, they are pretty. They're starting to get like fuzzy, like really fuzzy, because of the summer heat, the humidity. Like before I did these, I blow dried my hair, and the heat just end up shrinking it anyway, quite a bit. But as you can see, I got in the ponytail. I knew my hair going to a ponytail, but not like with these braids in, because I thought they were like kind of big. Because as y'all know, I don't call these mini braids. I don't call them mini braids. These are medium to me. Like, if you look at my past videos, my braids are way smaller than this. Like, they're actually like mini braids. And if they are something like this, I'll call them medium braids. Mini is like one of these would be two instead. So anyway, yeah, it's been 2 weeks and taking this out. See what we got going on here. So it's still looking pretty fresh. It most definitely looks like it's gonna last longer than the set of medium braids that I put in before this. At least for now, but I don't know what'll happen when I get the spraying my hair and adding product to it, because spraying it do frizz it up, and that's why I'm going to just use a little bit of olive water and olive oil in here, and then I'm going to use this right here, which is hair mayonnaise. It's by Africa's Best. Yes, this is a leave-in hair mayonnaise, and I'm using that instead of what I have this over here, because this dries out my hair. And guess what it has in it? Coconut. And coconut dries out a lot of people's hair. So I'm not gonna be using that. I just thought of it the last minute. Like, no, you're not gonna use that. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of this in my head. This is olive oil and water. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and just mist my head a little bit. I don't want to put too much water on it, or it'll decrease the duration of the style. When adding water, it really does mess things up. So I just don't want to add too much water. So I'm gonna go through it very quickly. See, I only put that much on there, that much water with oil. I will still need to get my ends though. So I'll be getting my ends now. Just one spray. And then just rub it in. Go and get the other ends. And just rub that into that. Got that side done. Now it's time for this one. Very important to make sure to get them ends. If you don't use a mist bottle, you should really invest in it because it puts much less water on the hair than a regular spray bottle. Way less water. So this is how it's looking so far. I don't know. Oh, I forgot one spot. Forgot to get my edges, and I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but them edges, they be dry so quick, so I just go and just spray some of the oil and water on there too. I got a snag nail going on. I just clipped my nails, but now that I done all this, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and start adding some of this to my ends. And this is for treatment for weak, damaged hair. No, my hair is not weak or damaged, but I like to use this stuff because it do strengthen my hair. So does it say anything of what it do? I mean, after shampoo, massage a generous amount of originals evenly into hair from root to end. For extra conditioning, cover hair with a plastic cap or wrap hair with a warm towel for 10 minutes. Rinse hair thoroughly with warm water and styles directed. So it's either or. It's either or. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and putting some on my ends. So there you go there. And then whatever I have remaining goes on the length of my hair. And I know you say, oh well, what about the roots? I'm not going to be, I'll probably put a small bit on it, just a small bit, because the roots is the foundation of the hairstyle. The roots is the foundation. So once those get messed up, the whole style have to go, pretty much. So I don't like to mess with them too much. Yep, once the roots are messed up, that's ball game. Plus, I spray oil and water on there too. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, really. I guess I'll figure it out when I get there, which is gonna be very soon. Very soon. Alrighty, so this is how it's looking. Gotta get the edges now. Start with the front. Or should I say perimeter. This is, the edges are actually the perimeter of the hair. Should never forget it. Looks pretty fresh to me. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a little bit, like I mean like really a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it through my hair like something like this, because I ain't trying to put it on my roots. Just do it like that. Looks pretty good to me. By the way, I've been wrapping up my hair every night and it doesn't stop my hair from getting frizzy. It reduces it like by a little, but the hair is gonna frizz up eventually. But I'll tell you one thing, the scarf is better than no scarf. It helps me to maintain my braids and keep them fresh. If I wouldn't have worn a scarf, these probably would be looking like a week, like it would look like I waited them from 3 weeks instead of 2. So anyway, that's all I came on to do, is to show you how I maintain my medium braids, and I'll do this process every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, I will moisturize, hydrate, and seal my hair. So that's what I'll be doing, and I probably, I don't know about any other stuff as far as washing or anything, but it's not the thought until my scalp actually starts to feel dirty, which normally it don't. As long as I don't put too much product in my head, I could just wear the style for a whole 6 weeks to 2 months without washing it. And yeah, oh, that's nasty. No, not to me. So, yeah. This is how it was looking. Thanks for the tune in.